Hello. You might remember I had a Trans Am and we sold it. I've been saving up some money for a few months and, well, here's what's replaced it. Yep, Mustang 5-litre GT V8. Sounds as well as it looks. Lovely sexy lines. This is why I didn't buy that Capri. Yep. You stay safe out there. Have a good one. Ta-da.